Housing Conservatory Maramdi is a hospital na 38 years para po loyal na aduga laiba Manipur di particularly upheaval situation sida again hafta anigi another 16 days haftare 16 days ki free OPD consultation takram ngadi kopsegani kasi baru na ago mayamda khangin na tawsagani particularly situation sida equation socially responsible organization mo ina aiba policy meru ina kanjani kali tara magadi horaga December ki tarikh 18 policy free consultation OPD consultation tawni department kuding makta clinical department kuding makta ay umma pandagina ku ahum bhawa OPD response sabab chani spread out to gani aiba KMC Caesar hospitals Langor aduga Caesar urban OPD Kesampatan leba animakta satasagani aiba free OPD consultation sida yawdaba clinical departments super specialty departments and uttam pathology rakhe cardiology cardiothoracic and vascular surgery dental science dermatology gastroenterology medicine general medicine general surgery interventional radiology nephrology neurology neurosurgery obstetrics and gynecology ophthalmology orthopedic otorhinolaryngology ENT pediatric medicine psychiatry physiotherapy PMR and pain management plastic and reconstructive surgery reproductive medicine respiratory medicine surgical oncology and urology high department singsi loina participate tawjagani aduga surgical procedure tawta aragadi 10% ama discount tawni aduga drugs or medicine oina lagu matamda IP mi chalaga laiba bo ero outpatient bo ero says the up to 10% discount pizagani high pagi hafta ani sida aduga loina CMST ka PMJ mayam khangire adu paibu singda haiba facilities du lobi ani adagi lobi ni basigi ko plate ya deida apne discount lo bisida du yawi ani